Oh, guys, please check out the video that I've just uploaded right now. Yeah, but where I was analyzing about the game and stuff, talking about the game between Iskukune and Kaizer Chiefs about the main video. So I forgot to say something. I just want to say, what to the Kosi fans out there, yeah, but ningabe triggered. This is the game is the test like with like be triggered and stuff. And I just wanna say, let's look at the positives about, let's just keep this season like with like a positive eye. Singanto ningabe sen influencer ama-fans ePakania, ningabe weak bafethu. That's the only thing ngicelayo, because I know ukuthi like siba like too hyped up, and then like siphinde sinto yabo. So maybe some of the time sibe like delusional yabo and stuff nani, but please ningabe triggered too much by ama-fans walawo amanye ama-teams. Let's just like motivate the team. Let's just be behind. If like you're really cause fan about, this is where the team needs you more than they ever did, vele yabo. Because man win it is always good, really. It is like you love this team, you know yourself, you love this team, yabo. And one thing about life, you need to be there on bad times and on good times. So so I just wanted to send that message, and please check the main video and like, subscribe to all that stuff. Thank you.